Center of Valpur, PHC, and pretty much awareness program has been done with them. And I told them no need to panic about the COVID. There is no cases at all. Just two cases which are found. Those people have been isolated. Okay. And subsequently at the village level, there will be awareness program which is going to start from the tomorrow. And also the medical officer will help them to get aware about the COVID and no need to panic about the situation. And it is found that some people are spreading the false information on the WhatsApp group, and which creates a more panic situation actually. Which creates a more panic situation. If such cases are found, strict action will be taken against those people who are spreading the wrong information. So this measure is good. And if anybody is found who is who is spreading this wrong information, again the strict action will be taken. This is Disaster Management Act.